Aloha! Thank you for tuning in, and in this video I'm going to show you and talk about how to use and why you might want to use blood meal as your organic plant fertilizer. Blood meal is not the same as bone meal. However, both of them come from slaughtered animals. I know it sounds gross, but plants actually do like it, and it is part of organic gardening, and it's a great way to not waste animal material but actually put it towards good use. And the main difference between the two is blood meal is a great source of nitrogen and bone meal is a great source of phosphorus. So as you can see, blood meal is 12-0-0 on the NPK, so 12 nitrogen, 0 phosphorus, 0 potassium. And how to apply it, I'm just going to read it from the back of the package. For flowers, vegetables, trees and shrubs, 1 pound per 100 square feet. That's for normal feeding. For heavy feeding, 2 pounds per 100 square feet. And individual plants, which is what we're going to do here, is half a tablespoon per plant around drip line. Okay, so away from the stem. So blood meal is a all-natural organic source of nitrogen. Blood meal promotes rapid growth and deep dark green color. It's an ideal supplement for all annuals and perennials. Well, this is a great brand, been around since 1929, Espoma. I'll leave some links in the description so you can check it out if you decide to buy it. USDA certified bio-based product, which is great. It's also registered with organic input material, which is also great. We're gonna do a potted plant, so we have a tablespoon here, and this is what we're gonna use it on. Basically, I had an awesome beefsteak tomato growing, but I think I overwatered it, which caused the stem to crack over here. I mean, look how thick it is. It would have been a great plant. It was already making fruit, but it cracked, and I had to cut it off and try to save this. So hopefully, oh, there's an aphid, just killed the aphid. Anyway, hopefully this will come out. So we're gonna try to revive it. We're going to add blood meal to it because blood meal, nitrogen, promotes plant growth. I'm gonna use half a tablespoon and around the drip line, and going to water it. I'll make sure to leave some links in the description and leave some comments. Let me know if you ever used it or how it worked out for you. Thanks for sharing, and until next time, aloha and mahalo.